Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. And I had one more pattern I wanted to share with you guys from Seiya, or the 100 yen store that is in Japan that's other than Daiso. There's a few other ones in that. So this company always has things that are made by a company, either Kyowa or AMIFA. And they make really fun, kind of cute designs of papers for you to enjoy. The Kyowa ones are made in Japan. The AMIFA ones are from China, but they do still have pretty good quality, I found. So I would, definitely tell you not to turn away from it unless you're really, wanting to be able to come home and say, I have stuff from Japan and look, it's all made in Japan. Then, you definitely want to, maybe steer clear of this kind of design. But, if you're just looking for fun, cute patterns that you can use that you wouldn't normally find for crafting and origami, then they're all great, definitely. So check them out for sure. Now, a big theme kind of that's really popular in Japan right now is kind of like a galaxy constellation theme. I know it's big in, a little, maybe it's dying out actually in the States a little, making like galaxy cakes and things like that. So this pattern is pretty popular right now. So that's one of the reasons why we see it kind of a lot. It's part of what, middle school and high school girls are looking for to have on their notebooks and pens and paper and cases and things like that. So this is just a really cute collection of different kinds of constellation patterns. So I'm kind of looking forward to seeing what these look like when I get them out of here. Very cute looking though, for sure. They have 12 sheets of each of the 4 patterns, so you get 48 sheets, which is similar to the other kind of one that's available at the 100 yen store. And this paper is, again, just a nice Chiyogami, and it has a good crispness to it that is, I think, very nice and good for folding. I do think this one is a little more heavy than it, not heavy. It's got more of a smooth quality. I don't know how to explain it. The Kyowa one has more of a crispness to it. This one is a little bit more weighty in the way it feels. The thinness of the paper is exactly the same though, but it would still make for some pretty good folding, I think, for sure. You get the cute kind of gradation of the watercolor patterns of colors in the background there, and then different like constellations and stars hand drawn there for you to enjoy. And then we have this one here that has sort of a navy blue background with a little bit of coloring in it and some constellations again for that. So that's cute. And then we also have the one that just has a gradation with some stars on it. That's really pretty, from the dark blue, like a little bit of a blue, to a really bright yellow. And then this one, which is more of like from a turquoise green to a green kind of color. With a lot of overlay of stars. And the star pattern is all sort of like a hand-drawn sort of star pattern. So that's really kind of cute. And certainly like this pastel color theme is sort of popular right now. So that's part of what's in here, I think, is very cute. So if you guys are interested in finding some unique paper patterns, and you definitely want to check out 100 yen stores when you're here if you're visiting. Or keep your fingers crossed that they might become available at a Daiso near you. So look for those. And I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!